want to see the new member of parliament, aye? Look who's touching himself. Do you like that? Turning you on?
Not really. Would you like to give a kiss to Mr. Lurkin? Oh, baby, you're so long and hard.
Rồi cho một ký nhỏ em. Cho em nói
Mr. Bombastic, really fantastic. Take it down the doogie doogie doogie, Mr. Roll, 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 roll. Romantic.
Senior.
And you can see how it is today. Today Nazareth, it's the biggest Arab town in the north of Israel. It's the political, cultural, religious center for the Arabs of the north. Commercial center, all the important shops are here. And again, the Muslims are majority. Christians, we have 30% here in Nazareth. Only 30% of population is Christian. The other are Muslims. But this is the hometown of Jesus. The town where the parents of Jesus, Joseph and Mary, lived, and he was here until the age of 30. Then he left Nazareth and changed his name Joseph. כמה זמן שזה ייקח, אבל לפחות שעה, כן? מרבים אבל הסתובב לפני. כן, כן, לפחות. כן. 2:15, משהו כזה, כן. בוא נדבר על זה בכנסייה, ניפגש שם למעלה, בסדר? אני אדבר עם שירה עד אז. אבל הזהרת אותם שלא ילכו לבד, כן? אוקיי, יאללה, ביי.
יודעים אותם גשם.
עכשיו, שאנחנו יודעים, יש גשם.
כן, על שועי השמש.
Now, it's very important that we stay together. Yes?